Hi! In this video, we will learn about different types of pronouns. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that replaces a noun without naming the noun. In these sentences, there were many pumpkins in the contest. This is the best. The demonstrative pronoun, this, stands for the specific pumpkin that won the contest. These are other examples of demonstrative pronouns. An indefinite pronoun differs from a demonstrative pronoun. An indefinite pronoun does not name the noun that comes before it. Read this sentence. Mrs. Wenzel asked the class, "Can anyone name the type of rock on the bottom?" The pronoun anyone does not refer to a specific person in the class, so anyone is an indefinite pronoun. Here are more indefinite pronouns. Now let's learn about relative pronouns. A relative pronoun is a pronoun that is related to a noun that has already been stated. These words can serve as relative pronouns: who, whose, that, which. Look at this example. The ship that will transport your cargo is at the dock. The relative pronoun that refers to the noun ship and introduces the adjective clause will transport your cargo, which describes the ship. Here's another example of a relative pronoun. In this sentence, who is the relative pronoun referring to Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin is a noun in the sentence. And that's how you use different types of pronouns. See you next time.